Hi everyone! I'm back! In today's video, I'll be showing you what I got for my flower girls. I am going to put together a package for them, and I am saying them because I have 3 flower girls and they are the cutest ever! I am so excited that they are going to be in the wedding! The Will You Be My Flower Girl box will have the flower girl dress, baskets that they're going to carry and toss rose petals. I also got them tiaras and a flower girl necklace. I'd like to give a big thank you to their parents. I am so blessed that their parents allowed them to be my flower girls, and I can't wait to have them in the wedding. Okay, so let's get to it! This is the box that I got for them. It looks like this, and it's one of those collapsible boxes so they can easily put this away if they no longer need this. And it just looks like that. Now I'm gonna put all of the gifts in this box. These are the dresses that I got for them. I love this dress because it has all of the colors that I love. It has pink, green, and gold, which are the colors of our wedding. I love the detailing on this. I love the embroidery. It comes with this cute little cardigan. Look at the sleeves. It's so cute. I really hope that they like it. Half Moon Bay tends to get a little bit chilly. We are having 3 flower girls, so I have 3 dresses. This is for the youngest one, the next dress, and the other dress. So yeah, I have these 3 that I'll be giving to them. I love it. Oh, look at the bottom too. This is also from the brand American Princess. How cute is that? These are the flower girl baskets that I got. One of them has these studs on them and these bedazzled jewels. And I also have this one, which is a little bit smaller than this one. So this will be to the younger ones, and it has this pearl. And I think these are the cutest things ever. So they'll be holding these flower girl baskets as they walk down the aisle, and they'll be tossing flower petals along the aisle. I also got them these tiaras. I love these tiaras. They are so adorable. It's so shiny. I love how it has a little heart in the center. I purposely picked these ones out for them. So I really hope that they like using these on the day of the wedding. I got them the set of necklaces. It is a very simple gold chain. It has a little pearl on the necklace. It says Flower Girl and a little thank you down below. You can see it right there. I think these are a really nice touch so they can wear a little something as a necklace. I also got them these cards, and it has all the information about our wedding, very similar to what I did for the bridesmaids. I also did the same for the flower girls. So now I'm going to put all the presents into the box, put some tissue paper over it, and going to give them as gifts. I folded the dress and I put it inside. I'm grabbing the flower girl basket, putting it right there. Going to grab the tiara, putting it carefully in the box. I'm also going to get the flower girl necklace and I'm placing it right here. I'm also going to place a card down below. I have some tissue paper. I'm going to put it inside, and I'm going to add colored tissue paper. There we have it. That is the flower girl box, and I can't wait for them to see it. I really hope they like the gifts, and I hope they feel really beautiful when they wear the dresses and the accessories. Okay, so that is it for my Will You Be My Flower Girl box. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. If you get inspired by my Will You Be My Flower Girl box and end up using parts of it or any of this in your own Flower Girl box, please give me a comment down below, and I'd love to see your creations. Okay, so I will see you guys next time. Bye!